Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna fix some imperfections in wood using CA glue or super glue. Things like knot holes, cracks, splits, and other issues can be fixed to make your final pieces beautiful. Thanks to Starbomb for sponsoring this video. The first case is a knot hole. I'm using a black CA glue that matches with the knot color. Then I sprayed a coat of accelerator that helps to speed up the curing time. I wait around 10 seconds to apply the second coat of glue. I repeat this process until the knot hole is completely filled. The second issue we have is a crack. For this case I'm gonna use a thick CA glue that dries transparent. We can use a dark color if we want to create a contrast with the wood. That looks pretty nice as well. The process is quite the same as the previous one. Apply as many coats as necessary. In less than a minute the glue is dry and ready to sand and apply the finish. You want to make sure that you overfill the void slightly, so that when you sand everything smooth you don't leave behind any dips in that area. The third example we have is a split in this piece of wood. I'm using a brown CA glue which works really well for creating an accent in this part. But if you prefer having a clear finish, use a thick option I'm using right now. There is another situation when the wood splits and breaks apart. I apply the medium glue to one surface, spread the other surface with the accelerator and put the two pieces together. That's gonna take a second before it's cured extremely strong. Then I use the thick glue to fill the ends on the surface. Spray a little bit of accelerator and that's it. That's a quick and easy solution for this issue. Let's fix another broken piece of wood. This has a split on it, so I ripped them apart to glue them back together. I spray the accelerator on one surface and put the medium thick glue on the other one. Then I'm just gonna put these two pieces together and hold it for a few seconds. There was a little bit of glue that squeezed out and touched the working surface. Oh, that's the meaning of super glue. Next I continue by sanding all these pieces we were working on. It's not necessary to wait so long, it can be sanded right after we apply the glue. Let's put some finish on it. I'm applying a coat of linseed oil which is gonna bring out the color and grain of the wood, so we see the parts we fix in details. This is the final result I got. As you can see, CA glue is a great deal for fixing this kind of imperfections in wood, so all these natural details will look beautiful when building furniture. If you are interested in these products, I left the link in the description box, so go and check it out. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.